Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to pay in-store using a Zip virtual card. Just follow these steps so you can use Zip almost anywhere that accepts Visa. With the Zip app, you can make in-store purchases at most locations that support Visa payments. First, open the Zip app on your phone. Tap the In-Store tab, then select Pay in-Store. Next, create your purchase request by entering the amount you plan to spend. Review your installment summary and the truth in lending disclosures, then tap Continue. Once that's done, your Zip virtual card will be ready to use. Tap Add to Apple Wallet or Google Wallet. You can now pay for your purchase by scanning Apple Pay or Google Pay using your Zip virtual card at checkout. If the store doesn't accept Apple Pay or Google Pay, don't worry, the cashier can manually enter your Zip virtual card details, which you can find in the In-Store tab of the Zip app after creating your virtual card. And that's it. Once you follow these steps, you'll be able to pay in-store with your Zip virtual card anytime.